Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I am so excited to finally show you guys these pages that I have made. So welcome, welcome. Okay, here a while back I introduced some of my interactive pages with you guys. And I told you that I would be coming up with more of them and a way to put them in something. So I have finally got the binder style pages all done. And I want to share a little bit with you guys, okay? I do have a tutorial that you can purchase that does include the 8.5 by 11. It does include the 12 by 12 binder style pages and the original 12 by 12 pages. And it will include anything that I do in the future, because we're going to be putting these in an album with a box, and then I have another idea that I'm going to be doing too. So if you purchase this tutorial, you will always get updates, and I will be telling you, I'm going to be making more of these pages. I truly love this. Let me know what you guys think about this idea. I'm excited about this, and I'm excited to know what you guys think of this too, okay? Because I think I'm in love. Now, one of the big concerns I hear people saying is, you know, we put our pages in those plastic sleeves. Well, my thought on this is we make these mini albums. They sit on our shelves just like this. It is not going to be no different than our mini album sitting on a shelf than, you know, our pages sitting in a binder on a shelf. Now, the album one will have a box, and the third option will have a box too. But the binder one doesn't have a box, okay? I do have a solution that if you think you need the page protectors, I've got an idea that I'm working with right now that, you know, so you don't have to put your, because you can on these, because these are interactive. They have flips and flaps and tucks and everything, just like our mini albums, but they're in a binder, okay? Because I know there's a lot of you that do not like to make this hidden hinge here. You hate hinges. So you don't make beautiful albums, okay? Because you can't, you don't like that. It doesn't work well for you. Well, this is a solution for you. You can take any album that you like and put it inside a binder like this, okay? So I do have a tutorial. You'll always get the updates if I add new pages, a new idea. Once you purchase it, whenever I put something in there, you will always have it, okay? It's yours. So go check it out. I will put the link down below to it, okay? So this one here has 6 pages. And I wouldn't do no more than 6 pages, you know, if you got a lot of flips and flaps, and because it will get pretty bulky. I will tell you that this album right here will hold almost 400 photos. Almost 400 photos, okay? So 6 pages was, is about the limit. So here, and I did use a beautiful collection by Vicki Boutin, the Storyteller collection. Oh, amazing. I love it. I love it. She did such an amazing job coming up with this collection. It's beautiful, beautiful. So here, I just kind of tore the paper, and this will allow me to put my photo here. This is what I'm considering my cover page, okay? So then this flips, and then I have, like for the 8.5 by 11, I have 6 different pages in here. Now you can choose to do all 6. You can choose to do just the pages that you like. Have a pocket page here, a plain page here. Totally up to you, okay? So here, I just done a tuck spot and do some photo mats, okay? So you can build these albums however you want. You can put this on this page, and then style 6 page here, have style 4 here, style 6 here. Or you can do style, put this page over here and have your blank page over here that you can turn into a scrapbook page, okay? And these are just full of flips and flaps, okay? Full of flips and flaps. I won't show you everything, okay? Otherwise the video would go on and on and on. But yeah, this is page style number 4. This is page style number 1, and I done a pocket here. So that way, if you happen to have a bunch of documents that you need to put in here, or photo mats, okay? And then again, I done just a little tuck space. But I really like this idea. I love this idea. So here, I use some magnets to keep everything tidy, okay? And then that flips, and then that flips. It's beautiful. I love this. So here, instead of doing the blank page, I just done another tuck spot and then added photo mats. Okay? And this is page style number 6, and it's full of flips and flaps, okay? Belly bands, okay? It's a lot of fun to make. And like I said, this album will hold almost 400 photos. Okay, now here's a blank page right here. So you could collage this up like you normally do your, our normal 8.5 by 11 scrapbooking. So you could put a couple of pictures, a journaling box, coordinate this paper over here. This is versatile, guys. You can do this with, just however you love to scrapbook. Love to scrapbook. So then we have this here, and it flips. We have a pocket. And then this all flips. It's just full of flips, flaps, pockets, tucks. But I took the mini album world and is putting it inside a binder for, those who hate to do hinges. This is an option for you, okay? And hopefully, a lot of you 12 by 12 scrapbookers, or 8.5 by 11, see, here's a nice waterfall in here. But it is, there's pockets and belly bands. See, I put that on this page. So this page over here has a nice pocket. Again, I done a little tuck space. Oh, this collection was really beautiful to work with. I hope you guys are interested in this. I really like it. It's a new way of doing something. So here, we have a little booklet inside our pocket. Save the room for the photographs. They just slide back in these pockets. Flips, a pocket. Here's a nice big photo mat. But it's beautiful, guys. I love this. Now, I will be showing you, I do have the 12 by 12 done, okay? So, I will be giving you a preview of that. But you can go to my website and grab the tutorial. You'll always get the updates, new pages that I come out with. Because I will be coming out with new pages because I love this concept. It makes scrapbooking easier because I know a lot of you do not like the hinges and everything. So, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. And I will be coming up with new pages. I know it. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about this new concept, okay? And like I said, I will be showing you the 12 by 12 too, okay? All right, that's all I have for you guys. Happy scrapping, and we'll see you guys later. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.